this video, we're going to practice graphing a line giving a point and slope using the point-slope formula. The point-slope formula is given as y minus y1 is equal to m times parentheses x minus x1 end parentheses. y1 and x1 in this case come from a given ordered pair on the line x1 comma y1. For these four examples, let's practice. First, we want to graph the point given, minus 4, minus 2. So from the origin 0, 0, we go to the left 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and down 2, 1, 2. We're given a slope of 1/2, which means the rise over run or change in y over change of x. So we change y1 positively, which is going up 1, and we change x positively by 2, going to the right 2. And so we have the next point, and we can continue this trend and show a nice line. For the point slope form, we put in y minus, well, we have the ordered pair minus 4, minus 2, so we want y minus y1. In this case, that's the number on the right of the ordered pair, which is minus 2. Then we want the m, which is 1/2, x, the variable stays there, and then the x1, which is the left form, the left number on the ordered pair. For this next one, we're given 2, 1. We go to the right 2 units and up 1, but the slope is negative 1/3. So we go, change in y is negative, so down 1, change in x is positive, so over 3. And now we're already at the end of the graph, so we need to go backwards. So instead of change of y being negative, we're going to take change of x to be negative. In order for that, change in y has to be positive, so we go up 1, and change of x being negative means we're going to go to the left 3, and we get another line. Same thing for slope, point slope form. We're going to use this 1 for the y value, the minus 1/3 for the m, and then x minus 2. On this one, we're given the point 0, 0 with a slope of 2. Remember that any whole number is the same thing as being over 1. So for every change of 2 in the y, there's also a change of 1 in the x. And so we see that it's a much steeper line in this case. So we can use the point 0, 0 on this. And you can see that this will reduce down to y is equal to 2x. Finally, we have negative 1, which is right here, and a slope of 3, 2. So we need to go up 1, 2, 3, and over 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And we have y minus minus 1 is equal to 3/2 x minus minus 1. Next, we want to see if we can pull an ordered pair and a slope given the equation in point slope form. Just as a reminder, point slope is y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1, where x1 and y1 are the ordered pair on the line. For the first problem, we have y plus 4 is equal to minus 3 x plus 2. So we know that the m, which is out in front of the parentheses, is going to be minus 3 in this case. And we have a positive 4 and a positive 2. So we know it's going to be of the form 2, 4 for the ordered pair. However, the point slope form has a negative sign on both the x and the y. In order for both to be positive, recall that they must be negative because subtraction of a negative value is a positive value. So negative 2, negative 4 is the answer in this case. How about on this next one? we see that out in front of the parentheses for the x is minus 2, so the slope is minus 2. And we have a negative 2 in the parentheses, which means a positive 2 for the x value. And we have a positive 3 for the y, which means it's a negative 3. You can think of it as taking the opposite sign of what shows up in point-slope form. For the third problem, we have the 3 for the m. We have a positive 6 for the x, so we need a negative 6 to compensate. And we have a negative 1 for the y, so we need a positive 1. For the last problem, we have m is equal to 1/2. We have a negative 7, so we need a positive 7. And we have a positive 6, so we need a negative 6.